and welcome to TWI Junior Pro. I'm Natty and this is Joseph.
Yes. Welcome. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and also leave your comments so we might actually translate whatever you guys ask us to translate later on during the series. So today, Nati has a few words that she wants to ask me. So let's hear it. What do you want to know?
Yeah, I think for me, I just wanted to ask, since now we're near Valentine's Day, so I wanted to ask, a few questions relating to Valentine's Day, and if there are people out there that want to ask their loved ones, to marry them, then this is a chance to actually learn how to say the words and be able to say it on the day. So I think the first one would be, well, the general one that I actually wanted to start off with you was, what are your plans for Valentine's Day?
My plans for this Valentine's. I can't really say. Fair enough. I think we might go somewhere, maybe go for massages because you like massages. So let's hope that works out. Then maybe flowers because she likes flowers too.
I love roses.
Yeah, roses. So maybe get her roses, then the weekend go for massages. I think that's it. And your end?
I think for me, I am just ready to be pampered. Nothing on my side. Just ready to be pampered. That's it.
Okay, I'll try and pamper you as much as I can, if possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think since people are in the month of love and some people like have plans to propose to their girlfriends during Valentine's Day. So please tell me what I love you is.
I is me.
Me.
Love is do.
Do.
You is wo.
Woo.
So all in all, I love you is me do wo.
Me do.
Yes.
Me do.
Yes.
Oh, that's simple. That's very
So,
simple. I can say that.
yeah.
Me do.
Yes.
And how do you say marry me?
Mary is worry.
Worry. Like worry.
Yeah, it's a go worry. Yeah, it's worry.
Worry.
Me
Worry me.
means marry me.
That's another simple one. So fellas, this is your chance. Worry me.
Yes.
Not worry me,
No.
but
Worry me. Yes. 100%.
Okay, that's good. Hey.
Yeah, that's actually great.
Yeah, I think for the next part, I would want to know what champagne is,
Ha.
and romantic evening is.
Okay.
But yeah, I think these are like the basics, for to ask someone, what are your plans?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to marry someone, at least to show interest that you're interested in their language.
Yeah.
If they're Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually, it's very interesting.
It is, and some of the words might be tricky, but then it gets easier as you practice.
Ah, nice.
It gets easier as you practice. So I think by the end of this whole series, everyone who's listening or everyone who's subscribed to it might be able to construct sentences, which is great. So I think those that haven't yet should subscribe, like, and click on the bell button.
Yes, and please do send us those comments and whatever questions you actually have that you want us to answer on this platform, and whatever you want to know.
Yeah. Then
Yes.
we'll actually say your name,
Yes.
say out your comment, and let you translate it for you.
Yes.
So
Well,
it's easier.
Kwasi is going to translate. I'm just going to look here,
Yes.
sit here, and try and
Yes,
learn.
that's
as well.
actually good because you can actually say the words, which will make it easier for the person that sent through it.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
that's
would be
actually
much,
great.
Yeah, much better. So,
All right.
Yes.
All right,
Do
guys.
send through.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.